is NARS. NARS. Eek! So it's part gifted and part bought, because the way NARS do their rewards scheme is, well, at my level anyway, and you know I've only just started getting PR. So at my level, they give you vouchers to spend. And I got one tier gave me a £25 voucher, and the second tier gave me £35 voucher. So I was able to put that towards a what I think, if I remember rightly, a mystery box. So I'm super excited. So thank you, NARS, for giving me this opportunity. And I honestly don't remember what I ordered. So here we go. So this is an unboxing of the NARS box. And I'm sure this has got to be the NARS box, because I've kind of identified my other ones. So I'm hoping this one, the biggest one, is my NARS box. So yeah, let's try and get in there. This is how it's come. Okay. And I'll show you the items that are coming out of here. Oh my goodness. Afterglow Tempting eyeshadow palette. So we'll open that in a minute. Oh my god. All these beautiful things I'm getting. I can't believe it. Explicit lipstick. What shade is that? Oh my goodness, I haven't got my glasses on. Right, hold on a minute. Bite Me. Getting a bit saucy, these brands, aren't they? So we'll have a look at each one. Let's have a look at all the things that I got first. So there are 4 items in this. This one is the multiple. Yeah, we'll open that in a minute. In Copacabana. And this is Total Seduction eyeshadow stick. Lovely. What shade is this in? Enigmatic. Fantastic. Because I have the one in Mind Games. That's it. I've just seen it. So this one's Mind Games. That's the one I've already got, and I've just received Enigmatic. So we are going to go in and have a look. Oh, I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm so excited. Enigmatic. Oh my goodness. The darkest black. Look at that. That is so pretty. So that's the eyeshadow. That's a beautiful colour. And this, the Bite Me lipstick. I mean, look at that. We're talking another league, aren't we, with NARS? Oh, lovely colour. Really nice. I would say along the nudie lines. I love that. Magnetic. Oh, that is beautiful. I am super happy with that. So the multiple, we think, and it's in Copacabana. What do you reckon? A blusher? Look at that. Oh, it's a highlighter. Oh my God, look at that. How beautiful is that? Oh, I'm beside myself with it. Oh, multiple. Eyes. Ah, okay. Rewind. The multiple is for eyes, cheeks, and lips. That is so versatile. Like perfect for holiday, isn't it? When you don't want to take too many items. I've just done a video on holiday skincare and makeup, backpack style. But actually, there are going to be so many more versions of it, because since doing that, I'm like, oh yeah, you can use that on your. You can go with just like, a handful of items. So the last thing that I got in there was the eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette is called Afterglow Tempting eyeshadow palette. Let me see if I can get in here without. I don't like trashing the boxes, and I keep them all as well. Yeah, I know, right? Right, I'm not kidding. I know it's plastic, but it's just the presentation, the colour of it, how shiny it is. It is, compared to a lot of other things that I use, this is utterly next level for me. And I will be scared stiff to start using them. So we have got quite a few shimmeries in there actually. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are on the shimmery side, and then that one and that one and that one, which are absolutely matte. So yeah, look at that palette. What beautiful things. Things of beauty in my view. So I am really pleased with this little box and really pleased being part of the NARS community and promoting their products. I mean, we're talking quality packaging, quality. So far, I've used an eye stick and an eyeshadow from NARS. I've got the Mind Games on today actually. Quality packaging, quality products. The magnetic lipstick thing. You'll probably think, oh my goodness, that's been around forever. Well, not for me, it hasn't. I've only discovered it in the last year or so. So really, really happy. And Bite Me is a really pretty colour actually. Yeah, really nice. Look, embossed NARS on there. Lovely, really lovely combination of colours there. So I look forward to showing you what that looks on the eyes very soon. So yeah, that was my my NARS collection and my NARS unboxing for you. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got some other boxes to do, so stay tuned, and they'll probably be coming on after this one. Okay, thank you, happy girl. Thank you, NARS.